Howdy folks, today we got an 07 model LULL 944E-42, 3,500 hours on this machine, sliding boom, 42-foot max lift height, 35 foot of forward reach, 9,000 pound lift capacity. Machine's got 48-inch forks on it, auxiliary hydraulics as well. 13.0 by 24 solid tires. We're gonna run the boom on out for y'all. Lift this 4-wheel drive. Runs and operates just like it's supposed to. Cummins, 80 horse, 4-cylinder diesel, 4-speed power shift transmission. Nice little lift right here, folks. We're going to be asking $37,500 on this lift. Got fenders all the way around, keep a little bit of that mud off the cab. Next video we'll work a few of the steering functions, drive around, go through a few of the gears. So stay tuned folks. There's your frame tilt. Stay tuned for the next video, folks. We appreciate you watching this one.